Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about building customers and exposure over time.
So one of the greatest ways of taking building up customers and exposure over time is to take and actually market yourself across multiple platforms. That means this could be anywhere from Facebook to YouTube to local craft shows, events, venues, and doing demonstrations of whatever it is that you do as an art or a craft.
Yeah, basically the more people you come in contact with, the more people that becomes aware of your company and the products you offer.
Yeah, I'm a firm believer that if no one knows you exist, you cannot possibly sell to them. So, the market has demand, but if they don't know that somebody can fill that demand for them, then how are they know to buy from you? So, as much exposure as you can take and get for your small business or your large company is the greatest way to go. You can leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn.
Yeah,
there's
there's
all sorts of internet places that you can do. And then, we've already mentioned craft shows, craft fairs, art fests. If you're an artist or a craftsman, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can go to seminars and network with people, do multi-network with people. And that is a great way to take and build up a customer base or a potential customer base over a period of time and make a lot of great connections and friends along the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's even things you can do like getting on Yellow Pages or here's something we did at the beginning. We called up our local newspaper and, just let them know a little bit about us. And then they actually came out and did an interview on Roy. And then some of the local people in the community was able to find out about us that way.
Yeah, which is a great thing. And then you get invited to like community events and able to do things like street like fairs and things of that nature, and you get to interact, and that helps to take and build up customers. Now, to take and build up good customers over a period of time, it's going to take quite some time to do that. So you just have to give yourself some time and, be very patient. But it is very well worth the wait.
That's right. And serve your customers well. When you do get a customer, go over the top to do the best presentation you can and for your item. And then they will share with their friends about their experience with you.
Yeah. So anyways, so that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I hope that helps somebody out there. Let us know if you'd like us to cover this topic in further detail in the comment section down below. So like we always say, God bless you.
We'll
catch you on the next one. Bye.